Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. If you're new here, hi, my name is Lillian. I do videos on makeup, K-pop, and anything random in between that catches my attention, which honestly is a lot of things. If you like this content, please like, follow, subscribe. I have all my social media linked down below. Instagram, TikTok are the main platforms that I am on besides YouTube, but I do have a Twitter that I don't really use and a blog that I haven't blogged in a while. I really should take that up. So today I am going to do the Magicman Jackson Wang unboxing. I've had this box again sitting in my room for ages and I just haven't gotten around to it. Also, don't mind the pinky nail. It fell off and I don't feel like taking time to glue it prior to my shower. Nice. These bundles seem to come in boxes, which makes it very, very nice. So I did get the long sleeve shirt and I got it in a 2XL. Not me with these nails. And then I got a short sleeve t-shirt. And this is what that looks like. There's nothing on the back of these shirts, so just so you know. The album is different. I think I might have gotten a bundle for each of the different albums. And it looks like the inside is the same as all the other ones. So I won't spend too much time looking at the albums. I guess the main attraction for these bundles is kind of the stuff that comes with it. So looks like I did with the hoodie. And that's the other version color of the album. I think the mental process that I had for getting this particular hoodie was probably that I don't have a color like it. So very simple on the front. This is the back. And I think this one I probably also got it as a 2X. Yes, I did. I like it. It feels soft. And I won't open that last album because it's the same thing. The inside's the same. It's just the covers that are different, which I guess that's how they get you. So, I'll be opening that. That could just stay right there. Overall, super happy with what they look like, how the materials on the clothes feel. Again, I'll probably wear them out, if not have a try-on portion of the hoodie and the two t-shirts. But as always, he does things very aesthetically, which I do appreciate. I didn't get the vinyl. I don't have anything to play it on. And as much as it looks nice, I just realistically, unless I live by myself and I have like an office collector's room, it wasn't gonna really see the light of day. So this is it. Again, thank you for watching. If you liked it, comment, subscribe, like, follow all my other social medias. And if you are Team Wang, did you purchase it? What did you get? What did you order? Did you like it? Did it fit well? Please let me know down below. Until next time, bye.